welcome back to my channel. Today's BFF Bite is actually going to be showing you a technique. I'm going to show you how I freeze my fruits to make sure that when I want to use them at a later date, they're not a frozen clump of like an ice cube. Using this simple strategy that I'm going to be showing you, it's going to make sure that you can grab a few berries or fruits that are frozen that you need at any given time and they're not all clumped up. Buying frozen fruit at the grocery store can actually get to be quite costly. So once you know how to use this technique that I'm going to show you, when fruits are in season and they're at their cheapest, you can buy them in bulk, freeze them, and then go back and use them later. I used some frozen blackberries that I'd already had in the freezer for my black and blueberry muffin recipe. I'll post the description box above. But the technique that I use for those blackberries is the same one that I'm going to be showing you today. So let's get started. Before we freeze our berries, we first want to inspect them to throw anything that's gone bad away and then give them a good rinse before we put them in our baking dish to put in the freezer. Next, we're going to put them in our baking sheet. We want to make sure that all surfaces, that there's none sitting on top of each other. Now these are ready to go into the freezer. So here's the frozen berries. You can probably hear by the noise that they are frozen, rock solid. The great thing is, because I've frozen it on a cookie sheet and nothing was overlapping each other, we're able to get them to freeze almost like ice cubes. What I then do at this point is dislodge the berries with a spatula and put them in a freezer bag so I can pull from as I need to. And there you have it.